Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you today guys? I hope you all be okay. Thank you so much guys for spending your time by clicking and watching my videos. This video I prepare food for our dinner. This way of cooking guys here in the mountain is so native and first thing first I gonna do is I will chop this wood. Magsibak tayo ng kahoy guys para gamitin natin sa pagluluto. Ako lang yung nagsibak nito guys kasi may trabaho naman yung partner ko. Hindi walang ibang maggawa kundi ako lang. Ito talaga yung mga nakakabilib sa ating mga housewife no kasi mga independent woman man tayo. And the second one is to make a fire. Important guys is to use lighter or phosphorus, whatever you want to use. Basta musiga na diha, parts na. And it is important guys that the wood is not wet. Kasi hindi man yan aapoy guys kung basa yung gamitin mong kahoy. Dapat talaga yung tuyo. And you should blow it too. This way of cooking guys is so smoky. Oh my goodness. My nose is full of abo. Kung kayo talaga guys may mga asma-asma o ubo-ubo, wag na kayo magpaalig-alig ito magaling-haling kasi sasamot yan yung mga sakit-sakit guys. O ayan na, finish na. Kukuha lang ako ng mga panggatong namin guys kasi nasa ilalim man nakalagay yan. Hindi naman yan pwede idikit dyan sa ating halingan kasi masusunog ang balay natin guys. Our next step is took a rice from the bucket. Here in the mountain, ito talaga yung mga lagayan namin ng bigas para hindi kainin ng mga bagtok guys o daga. Tapos, I just take 3 cups of rice. Then, I put it on a dark pot. Don't worry guys if our pot is black. Kayo ba naman itak-ang ko sa apoy no? Kung hindi ba mangingitim pagmumukha nyo ha? Then, I just wash the rice once only guys. Then, I just add water for sabaw. Kayo na bahala guys kung you put more, go. Basta kayo ang kakain sa mga lata-lata ha. Atin po dyan i-measure guys kung sakto ba yung sabaw ko para sakto po yung kaluto no. Tapos itaktan ko na sa aming firewood guys. And you come back for just for a few minutes. And after a few minutes guys, it's done. I want to show you something guys. Are you familiar with this? It's called buwad bulinaw. In English, dried fish. So delicious guys. It smells so good. And I will also cook our dish for dinner. Their dish is one of the Filipinos' favorite guys. It is called udong with sardinas. I don't know if mayroon ba nito sa other country. Siguro ang tawag nila dito ay pasta. First thing I gonna do is chop the vegetable. This vegetable guys is from my little garden. Just what's available in my garden. This is it. And then balatan muna natin yung sibuyas guys. Yan lang yung mga ricados ko ngayon kasi yan lang naman ang available sa akin no. Then I chop the onion already. Next is the garlic guys. Yan lang naman ang mga ricado ko dito. Yan lang yung available. And this is what I'm telling you guys. This is a sardinas and the udong. Siguro yung udong sa ibang bansa guys is pasta to sa kanila no. We need it also to blow it to set the fire too. Kasi malapit na siyang napaparong guys kay Wala naman siya sugnod gay na gyud. Kailangan na naman siyang lagyan ng panggatong, guys. And then I take my dark frying pan again, guys. Then put in the firewood. Then I start cooking. Okay. Hi, excuse me. Nadia sa kuan. Sabi ako lang. Oh, yummy. Time to eat. Oh, wait lang. Just wait. Start. Yummy.